Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on this flip through. So I have this really pretty altered book here that I covered with actually a gift bag. So this is a gift bag and it had Laugh on it. And then I added some beautiful satin ribbon that came on the handle. And so this is so darn cute, and I just thought it was perfect for a little journal. And let me get some measurements for you here. So it is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So it's a perfect little size, and it would make a beautiful gift to give to a friend. And it has this little charm here on the edge. I made this in a video. It's made from like a bingo chip. And so it's really cute. And it's on here with a little clamp on here. So it's just on a page. So let's take a look at this. All right. Let's get it in frame. So this is scrapbook paper here for the end paper, and this is just some really pretty green cloth. Now, I don't know if you know, my journals are all made with recycled, thrifted, unwanted items. I recycle everything, so pretty much everything in this book has been found and that type of thing. I don't hardly buy anything except for my, my glues. I use, good glue and Fabri-Tac and things like that. So, and I love creating journals, and I like taking the money that I do make from my journals, because I can't keep every one I make, so I have to sell some. And when I do, I use it to buy my glues, adhesives, maybe washi tapes, that kind of thing. So let's get started. So let's flip through here. So this one basically says Laugh, and it has the green theme. So I kind of made it all pretty much nature. So here we go. So this is a book page with flowers. I just thought it was really pretty. I just kind of did a rough tear out, so I wanted it to be really organic. So I made a little tab here. This is just like a sticky note, a little tablet here. Here is just a little flip up. Whoops. It's just a little tiny flip up with some flowers on it. So I just put that there in the middle of the page. Here is I think this is part of a ledger paper. One of those old ledger books. Here's a book page. It has a flip out. I love these bright, beautiful flowers. You could glue this and make a pocket. You could do whatever you want with it, of course, but it was just really beautiful. Here is a little cutout of flower there, and then I put this die cut dial of flower, I think is what those. You'll see a lot of these. I found this at a thrift store and I picked it up. You could definitely put a piece of like coffee or tea dyed paper on the back and make a little journaling spot here. Here is a recipe. Here is a excuse me. Here is a little excuse me, a little card. And I made a little tablet out of it. Just a little page, kind of like a flip. Stapled it on with my little mini stapler on here. Here's another little sticky note. I just have a bunch of these little sticky notes that have all different kinds of things. Here's some washi. Here's adult coloring book. Love the little sayings and things in there. This one here is a little homemade envelope, and I did not glue it, just in case you wanted to use it for something else. And then in it is a little secret spot for journaling. And so that's just on there with a a gold paper clip. Another recipe. Just thought it was really pretty. Frozen citrus dessert. Sounds so good. Here's the other side of that diala flower. I just kind of kept the theme of this whole thing, kind of green and nature and organic. Here's a die cut. And did I make a tuck spot? Yes, this is a tuck spot, and I will put something in here. Let me see if I have something really close by. I could stick something in there like that. Yes, see, that was a kind of like a ledger type thing, and it's got this gold foil on it. I just thought it was really pretty. Here's another little fussy cutout flower I put on there. I love these pages that have the holes in it. And we could put another little item in there. Love the green images here. So that was the first one, and this lays completely flat. Okay, here's another sticky note, little tablet. Here's some sweet basil and the primrose. And here I did some fancy sewing and made a little, here's another one of those cards, and I just made a little tablet spot there. Here's the other side of the, oh, you know what, that was not a ledger. So this is like a book divider, so like A, B, C, D, E, you know, tabs. So I did cut it in half, so that's why there's two of them. So that's what those are. Another book page was just some beautiful flowers. Here's another die cut. This one is a little spot for journaling too. So let's put something really cool in there. Let's tuck one of these. I have a whole bunch of these cards. So there's another little spot. Here's another one of the diala flowers, or diala plant. Isn't that beautiful? Orange tulips. So there's lots and lots of journaling space in here. There's another one of those sticky note things. Adult coloring book page. Here is a flip out of an envelope, and let's stick some more goodies in there. So let's put some little pieces of, this says summer in it, and here's some little paper there. So let's stick that in there for it. And then this here is a prospect card, so that just sticks there. Little tuck spot. Beautiful flowers again, just beautiful. Love that. And I love these squares because you can make little notations in each little square. I love that. This is kind of a cardstock. Look at that. I just love that. These book pages here are from the Herb Bible, and I believe I have a book review on that if you want to go look for that on my YouTube channel. All right, and then there's the back. So, isn't that just gorgeous? I love the green. It just screams nature. And here's your little clip that comes with it. You can just stick it, I mean, you can use it as a bookmark actually, like, okay, I'm working on this page. So then you can just leave it in there. So there you go. And I hope someone picks this up and enjoys this green, earthy, nature, organic journal. It would be just a great, beautiful gift or for yourself. All right, thank you so much for joining me. All right, bye-bye.